the soul of NVIDIA, the intersection of computer graphics, physics, artificial intelligence. It all came to bear at this moment. The name of that project, General Robotics 003.
In a rapidly advancing world where robots could walk alongside us, NVIDIA is breaking barriers. Welcome to a deep dive into Project Growth, where robotics meets the next level intelligence and security. Before we go any further, my name is Alex, your guide behind AliTechs. With over 15 years in cybersecurity, I tackle digital threats in various capacities, from small businesses to large corporations. My passion lies in understanding and communicating the evolving landscape of cyber threats to people like you. If you're seeking an unbiased professional opinion on cybersecurity matters, do not hesitate to reach out. Join us as we explore the critical world of digital security together. Imagine a world where robots are as common as smartphones. That's the future NVIDIA is painting with their latest venture, Project Growth. It's like they open a magic box of robot wonders and everyone is invited to the show. Leading the parade is the CEO of NVIDIA, Jensen Huang, with something that's just very big and exciting. That's a Blackwell AI GPU. It's like the brain of the smartest robot you can think of, but way more powerful. So let's break it down. Imagine you had a super brain that could do thousands of tasks at lightning speed. That's what this Blackwell AI GPU is for robots. It makes them quicker, smarter, and more accurate. Think of a robot in a factory that can do the work of 10 people, or a healthcare bot that never gets tired and always knows what to do. It's just not a step forward, it's a giant leap in the world of robotics. But wait, there is more. NVIDIA is joining forces with Apple, blending their AI magic with Apple Vision Pro. It's like combining peanut butter and chocolate. Both are great, but together they are phenomenal. This combo is a game changer for robot makers, giving them the tools to build robots that can see like a hawk, learning like a pro, and make smart decisions on the fly. Jensen Huang didn't just talk the talk. He showed how real giants like Mercedes and Siemens are already using Project Growth. These aren't just fancy experiments, they are robots doing amazing things in the real world. We're talking about cars that drive themselves and factories where machines communicate like a well-oiled soccer team. It's just not about making things faster, it's about making them smarter and safer. So what does all this mean for us? Project Growth is more than just a cool tech project. It's a glimpse into a future where robots are an everyday thing, making our life easier, our work more efficient, and our world a bit more like those sci-fi movies that we love. NVIDIA isn't just building robots, they're redefining what it means to live in a world where robots are our everyday helpers, our partners, and maybe even our friends. Get ready, because the future of robot is here, and it's more exciting than we ever imagined. In the world of Project Growth, where robots are becoming as smart and common as smartphones, there is another side of the coin that we need to consider, and that's cybersecurity. Just like we protect our phones and our computers from hackers, these super smart robots need top-notch security to keep them safe from malicious intent. Here's a look at the kind of cybersecurity challenges NVIDIA's Project Growth might face. Imagine these Growth robots as ultra-smart personal assistants. They'll know a lot about us, maybe even our secrets. Keeping all that information safe is crucial. These robots will be chatting online for updates and sharing info. That's a big opportunity for cyber bad guys to try to break in. Think of it as securing all doors and windows in-house, but digitally. The software in these robots is their brain. If it gets sick with a virus, a digital one, things can go wrong. Keeping their software clean and healthy is like making sure they eat right and exercise. It's not just about digital threats. Someone could try to mess with the robot's hardware. It's like making sure no one can tamper with your car's brakes. There are tricks to fool AI, like giving it misleading information. It's like putting on a disguise to trick someone. The robots need to be smart enough to not fall for these tricks. Just like cars have to meet safety standards, these robots have to follow rules and laws, especially when they travel in the world. It's about playing by the rules globally. Only the right people should be able to tell these robots what to do. It's like having a secret handshake or a password. Cyber threats are always changing. It's like a never-ending game of a cat and mouse. The robot security needs to be constantly updated to stay ahead of the game. Although NVIDIA hasn't spilled the beans on exactly how they'll tackle the challenges in Project Group, they've shown us they know their stuff in cybersecurity with their Morpheus project. This tells us they're likely thinking hard about these issues for this project as well. So to conclude, with great power comes great responsibility, especially in the realm of cybersecurity. It's clear that safeguarding these robots from digital threats is as vital as their revolutionary capabilities. NVIDIA, with their expertise shown in projects like Morpheus, seems well equipped to address these cybersecurity challenges head-on. They're not just building robots, they are creating a secure, intelligent ecosystem where data privacy, network security, software integrity, and more are top priorities. As we eagerly anticipate a world enhanced by Groot's robots, we can be assured that cybersecurity isn't a side note, it's a key part of the story. This project is more than a technology marvel, it's a testament to how innovation, when paired with robust security measures, can lead to groundbreaking advancements that are both powerful and trustworthy. In the end, Project Groot stands as a shining example of how futuristic technology, when nurtured with careful consideration for potential risks and challenges, can not only transform industries but also redefine our interaction with technology in our everyday lives. As we stand on the verge of this new robotic era, it's about building a future that's as safe as it is smart. If you found this journey enlightening, please like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. As always, keep your data safe and curiosity alive.